Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Ray, and on today's tutorial I'll be taking you through the Pancakeswap NFT platform. A lot of you have been hearing about NFT, but at the same time you really don't know how you are going to buy NFTs because most of them right now are expensive. If you want to deal with NFTs on let's say OpenSea, let's say decentralized, Decentraland, and Sandbox. Most of those NFTs on those platforms are quite expensive. Like if you go to OpenSea now, you will see what I'm talking about. Like most of the NFTs on the platform are quite expensive. So the thing is, you want to catch up some new NFTs and cheaper ones that you can get on other platforms, where you can also like learn how to auction them and sell stuff like that. So let me start by telling you guys what an NFT is. As you know, an NFT is just a non-fungible token. It's just a crypto in form of artwork. You understand? Unlike those days where someone or a company, a popular figure or a well-known individual or a company stand up to put his properties, shoes, designs, his music, his albums and stuff like that on auction and then get people purchased. Crypto has brought up this new way of auctioning items and valuables in form of NFTs. You understand? So basically, the platform, they just build an original artwork. Can be music, can be your voice, can be like a drawing, it can be a sketch, can be anything. It can be just anything. Artwork can be an NFT. So they will just mint it on a particular network and then give a price to it, and boom, there. Due to the popularity of that particular company and the originality of that particular NFT that they are selling, people will tend to buy it, and as people buy, the price will keep going up, and then because as you buy, you can decide to resell at a slightly lower, higher or lower price if you want. But most times you buy low, you try to buy low, and then you auction for a certain amount to get particular profit. So as the number of NFTs that were minted by that particular person keep decreasing, the value will keep increasing. You understand? So most of them, they grow based on how many people are holding, and based on the popularity of that company, the attached value to that NFT will be much. You understand? Now if you look on this OpenSea, you will see that you have Bored Ape Yacht Club. This is the top right now that has increased. Most their values have increased like plus 227%. Wow, this is massive. And this is the current worth of this total collection. Over how much? This is Bored Ape. So as you see here, Bored Ape Yacht Club, this one right now they are selling for 2.989 Ethereums. You understand? So it's something that you can decide to bid for that. You understand? Or there is a buy. When you bid, you can decide to just add your own price slightly above those people who have been bidding like that. So after a period of time that NFT has been placed on sale, then the highest bidder will take the order automatically. The highest order bidder will buy it automatically. You understand? But you can decide to buy immediately by hitting up a particular target price. So let's go to this platform. On here, OpenSea, right? You know that NFTs on this platform are just quite expensive. Look at this one for 36 Ethereum. It will be quite difficult for someone to raise up 36 Ethereum because 36 Ethereum is not just $100. So you can just flip on 36 Ethereum on an NFT. But except you have money, that's quite cool. You can do that. But now let me show you how you can actually get through this SafeBar Wallet. So if you don't know this wallet that I'm using, it's called SafeBar, right? It's called SafeBar. So you can download it. They have a lot of dApps and external links where you can always make use of them. You see it's Pancakeswap, on DeFi there's Pancakeswap, Uniswap, Compound, Call, Binance, BSC, and the rest of them. So, and as well, it allows you to enter any of the app links directly above here, so you can connect it to your wallet and do that. So what we will be doing is, now we are going straight we are going straight to Pancakeswap, because we want to deal with NFTs on Pancakeswap, right? We want to deal with the NFTs on Pancakeswap, which means we are trying to catch up the low value NFTs, and then once their prices increase, we'll sell them high. So if you come to Pancakeswap, this here, you just first, if you're not used to Pancakeswap is a D app, or it's a DeFi platform that is built on BSC network, that is the Binance Smart Chain network. So when you want to use Pancakeswap, you need to have already deposited your Binance Smart Chain coins. So once you have your Binance Smart Chain coins in your Pancakeswap, you just have you just open up your SafeBar Wallet, then you come to that D app, you put in Pancakeswap, and then you click on disconnect here. So when you click on disconnect, you select SafeBar, and then automatically it will connect it. Your balance in BNB will be shown here. Understand? So everything you're going to do on Pancakeswap has to be on BNB BEP20. Do you understand? So the next step to do is, when you come to this place, you after connecting your wallet, you click on NFT down here, and then you can just click straight up on collections. Right now, mine is loading. If you look through, you will see that these NFTs on this particular platform are not yet expensive. You understand? There are some of them that the total collection is worth just 1,000 BNB. This one, total collection is worth just 149 BNB, and then blah blah blah. So like me, I try to look at the top 3. So I own some NFTs on these Pancake bunnies. Then I really want to buy for this Pancakeswap too, and then this Bond Bag Girls. But the thing is, you always find NFTs here that will suit your budget, and then for a target of long term, they might definitely do well. Like, look at this particular NFT here under these Pancake bunnies that have been minted. Their item listed is items are over 446,585, right? So total of 200 out to 20,715 BNB has been placed on all these NFTs that were minted on these Pancake bunnies. So now, if you come here, look at Pancake bunnies, right? So you just look through. Some of them might be slightly expensive than others. Like me, when I bought for the first time, I bought this churro. I bought some other ones, but I spent just about 80 bucks or so. So you can decide to just look through. Look at this one; it's just worth 18 bucks. So you can just buy these NFTs, and immediately you buy them, you release them or auction them for a higher price. You understand? So, but the main aim of this thing is you're trying to get achievements on this platform so that your NFTs will get right, and then you, at the same time, they can get you recognized, and then you can change or create a profile and then put your own name. Then you hire maybe a developer or any graphic designer to build you your own special NFTs, and then you come back to the platform and then you upload them and you start to sell. So let me show you my own collection. So if you click at the top here, you come to your NFTs. So if you look at your NFTs here, currently I had about 4 NFTs. I had 4 of these NFTs, but I placed 3 on sale. So one has successfully been sold, so it's just remaining these 2 that I'm selling. You understand? So if you look very well here, you look at, this is the actual price that I bought it, and this is the current worth of this NFT if I want to sell it at a flat rate. But if I decide to auction it, then I can decide to adjust the price or put in any price that I want, or remove the NFT from the market. Here is a token ID. This is my NFT ID. It is unique and only assigned to me. You understand? You can view the items. If I give you the BSC link, you can view my NFTs and stuff like that. So if you click on this Pancake bunnies here, right? Click on this one here. Decide to adjust the price and stuff like that. So right now I bought these NFTs for just $19 each, right? And I'm reselling all of them for $257. You understand? I'm reselling each of them for $257, which means I am actually making profit. I don't really want to put them that low, so I'm just reselling for a very high right? So in case anyone purchases, then I'm making like times 5 of what I bought this NFT. So this is really good. I've already sold one of these NFTs here. I bought each four for 20, about 19 or approximately $20 each. Spent like $80, and right now I've listed the three for 200 for $322. This one is 257, and the other one was about 257 as well. But that one has been sold out. You understand? So now maybe you start selling, you start getting achievements, you start getting points and stuff like that. You start getting achievements and points. So those points will help you to rank very well. So now you can decide to click on here, and you click on make a profile. Then you choose any of these guys, then you enable. That's once you've got some. This is what you need to do. Here I'm going to make a profile, then I'll hire somebody to build my own graphic work or my own NFTs, then I'll upload them here. You understand? So that's the secret about this whole NFT stuff. So this Pancakeswap right now, as you know, is a very popular site, and right now it's still new. So you can decide to. So now they ask me to join the team. Let me see. I'll join these guys. So next up. So let me select my name. So let's see, Cake Arts. Cake for Arts. Okay, so yeah, no, it's complete. Oh, they need me to have at least 0.5 submitting NFT to contract and confirming user and theme 0.5k. Wow, this is massive. This is really high. So I need to have at least 0.5k in that particular wallet before I can be able to confirm this transaction. Like I can be able to join and stuff like that. So because this one right now, I'm just trying to create my own profile so that I can mint my own NFTs and put them up. So it's a bit expensive, so the gas fee is not enough, stuff like that. So but this is how to do it. So if you don't want to sell your own NFTs, you can own some few NFTs on this platform, and it's very, very easy. As you know, NFTs can make you a millionaire just overnight. So it's just something that is worth keeping in your portfolio. You can't just do the regular crypto assets. Sometimes you really have to be part of the trends and all that so that you can be able to, So thank you for watching, and if you do enjoy this video or you found very, very informative, then you can hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bar so whenever I drop a new video, you get notified in your email. And if you have any question or you have anywhere in the video that you didn't understand clearly and you want more information, then write me a comment below, and then I'll look through it. Also have a website that is attached to the description of this video